Welcome back to Aman's Unfiltered. Today we're going to continue part 2 of our interview with the makeup artist on the wedding edition mini series. We've covered the beauty and the glam, and now we're going to talk about more beauty, more chaos, and this is where the Glam Squad is going to spill the tea on the meltdowns, the misfires, and the moments no one really talks about, right? So, from runaway lashes to unblendable drama, this is the side of wedding makeup that doesn't make it on Instagram. So, buckle up, my friends. It's about to get messy, hilarious, and oh so relatable. So how do you guys handle extreme weather? Like, Bangkok is humid. It's
Yeah.
like the sweat, the crying and all that. Like, how do you guys handle? What's your secret
So
product?
basically, for humid weather,
What?
Yeah.
As if product, she's after product.
Yeah,
correct. Yeah,
answer
it's
in
the
turns.
products. you
This
have
is
to
my
use.
secret way of
She's
writing
saying
down
she
my
wants-
list.
No, she wants the product.
I want the product
she
also
wants
now.
to
do-
Later.
she-
But you
I'll
tell me
tell
your
you
secret
later.
That
first.
was the
Yeah.
idea of this podcast.
I'll tell you, of course. Because Bangkok is still manageable,
Yeah,
but when you do
kayak
by the
and all.
beach,
Yeah, it's
that's
more
even
humid.
tougher.
Yeah.
By the beach is like humid, and
Way
you go
more.
out within 1 hour. If your makeup is not done well, it'll melt.
Yeah.
So you have to be very, very careful,
Yeah.
especially when you're doing a bride, of course.
Yeah.
Because bride is gonna dance. She doesn't even know whether it's a AC or it's a fan towards her. And they dance and they
Swim.
like all the sweat.
Yeah, right, swim.
So it really has to be there. So it's the products and the tricks which works together.
Not
And that's
spilling all
called
the tea.
experience.
What about you, Panvini?
No, it's not spilling all the tea, but the key word would be light layers.
Light layers.
Light layers.
By like
The heavier you work with, I mean, it's never going to be a thing, but you'll start to crack. It'll look like a hot mess. Like light layers.
as a makeup artist, you should know where you're using translucent powder and where you're using a loose powder. There's so much difference between two things which people they don't know.
Okay, after we are done, I have a plain
Correct.
paper and you just tell me
I'll let you know.
every step.
ठीक है जी. That's like we're paying you back.
Oh,
But hamper, that's really bad, huh?
Where is the hamper?
Where's the hamper?
कहीं छुपा होगा.
And that's
देख
another
लेंगे.
quiz to find the hamper.
I know.
Okay, like I can imagine like a bride's eyelash flying with the wind.
No.
Kaibenma?
No, make her bed.
Never happened.
I was really
That would've
afraid
been
because
fun.
sometimes it's like one bride, like she did a pre-wedding and then went to the destination and there was a 25-minute boat ride, speed boat ride. And I'm
Yeah.
like, that freaks me out. You can swim in the makeup, nothing will move. But the speed,
wind,
it
yeah.
stayed, and I didn't go with her because I was like,
Amazing.
there's two packages, right? Go, don't go. So she went, I'm like, oh, it stayed. So now I can say, oh, it stayed.
It stayed.
Didn't
It stays
manufacture the
stayed,
glue, but
yeah.
it stayed.
Can you give me the name of the glue?
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah, somebody gave, Nat gave me, it's only 20 baht glue and it works so
Le.
wonder.
Which one is
The
it?
cheapest
I don't know, I'll
product
send
works
you,
the
I'll
best.
send you the picture.
Send me.
Yeah. I told Nat, I was like, buy me six bottles here.
my
Very
friend,
nice.
my friend Zia, she introduced me with some Korean or Thai mascara. I tell you, it's the best mascara I've
Yeah.
ever used in my
No,
life, and
Thai
it's like
and
pats
you'll
and
be like,
bar.
Hidden gems.
Correct.
That's what I'm saying. There's no end to shopping.
Yeah,
Ask
yeah.
a makeup
It's all
artist.
test and try. Like you
Every
gotta
day you
know.
like
God,
something
like-
new.
Very true.
Yeah.
It's amazing. Okay. So, what's the most unrealistic makeup expectation someone has?
When they show you Deepika Padukone's picture,
For me, it's Kim K, yeah, like that.
and then they
chiseled.
expect them to look the same, regardless, not looking at their own features and the hair. Because see, when all these celebs and all, they have thousands of lights and the editing, even the hair editing, which they don't realize. So they have like a puchal wala hair, and then they expect you to do that. Oh my God! Oh, so that's really tough for us to explain them.
Happy?
Yeah, I mean,
Unrealistic
it's-
Yeah,
expectation.
no, but
Yeah,
also I
yeah,
think the
yeah.
skinny
like you
face-
can't be
yeah.
like showing me a picture of something that you're expecting and then us not being able to deliver because you don't have like that face or that skin, no offense, but you also need to understand that this is the kind of makeup you will get on this face and not this face because your faces are different.
And
you
have they
know?
ever felt offended when you said like that? Like, have
No,
you ever had that situation?
I'm very gentle about it. Like I would always like sit down and explain to them like why it's not realistic.
Yeah, see, that's why I can't talk to people. I'm not gentle.
Like
That's why I'm unfiltered. I have this show.
Yeah.
No, but I think people understand. Like it's
They
like
do,
they
they
get it.
do.
They
Yeah.
get it.
They
Like
do.
for me, it's like usually very like
Yeah.
I want to look very slim. I'm like, so do I. Like it's
Yeah.
that simple. Like I mean, like it's not a thing. I'm like,
Very
what do I
true.
do? Like you know what I mean? Like it's I'm not a I cannot like
yeah, yeah.
it's true. I'm
Very
like
true.
I
Oh
can't
my
contour
God.
your abs.
Yeah,
Like,
yeah.
but we'd all look the same. So
Yeah.
it is that unrealistic standard. A little bit
Yeah.
like, oh my god, if you keep putting bronzer on me, I might like look chiseled.
No,
and I might
that's-
get
Oh my
cheekbones. It's not a thing.
God,
Like they
seriously.
understand. It takes a minute. It takes a lot of laughs, but then I think it's realistic standards.
The face structure,
Exactly.
the features,
true.
you know, you gotta like make them understand and picture it.
Mm.
When they're able to like picture, then they understand. They don't get offended then. You know, when people are clear in their heads, they know.
They
okay,
know.
And the best part is when they want no makeup look and they'll show you a temthi wala
Temthi
makeup
look, give me no makeup look.
Haan.
Natural.
Like I want natural, but I want smoky. I was
But like this.
No, I want natural but purple. I'm like,
Yeah,
what?
yeah, yeah.
Purple
Barney?
is not natural.
Exactly.
It's
Like, do you see
That's
purple in the
what-
wild?
Yeah, I swear.
Oh
It is
my
funny.
And
God.
especially the most funniest is when you know the mothers or the mother-in-laws, they come and do makeup and there's like, oh, I want to look young. I was like, okay, makeup can make you okay. So basically, makeup can make you look young 5 to 7 years
Mm.
younger to your age. I can't make you look like a bride's like 26-year-old skin. So this is how you sometime it's actually very you feel very what do you call
Pressure.
yeah, not even pressure. It's like you get very irritated also because they don't understand. The age is age. Makeup cannot remove your fine lines. Makeup cannot remove your
be so
puffiness.
rich.
Makeup cannot do anything on the face except we change your texture of the skin. We make you
Right.
look whatever with the
You
makeup.
can just accentuate what's
Yeah.
already
What we
there.
have, yeah,
You know what's
absolutely.
already there, just to make it look like supposedly you have like we can hide the pigmentations like for sure
Yeah.
with concealer and stuff, but we can't hide the texture.
Correct.
Right. Okay. Have you ever had a bride skin react badly to a makeup product you've used?
No, because again, I told you.
Again, give
when-
me your product name.
No, this you have to really like when I go for meetings, I always tell
Yeah.
them. Of course, those who have reaction with the things, they have to be on a medication. Like I have done couple of brides, they were
Yeah.
really allergic to the makeup or few things.
Mm.
So they used to take medicine like 2-3 hours before. You really need to consult your doctor if you have such problems.
Right.
Because you know, once it's a disaster forever.
Oh
Yeah.
my god,
Yeah.
can I tell you something
Yes,
about
please.
this experience? I had a vegan bride. So a vegan bride is a bride that made sure that
Yours is all
all the
products vegan.
yeah,
Yeah.
all the products didn't have like beetle skin or beetle like you know
But the
red
beetle is,
pigmented
red,
yeah
but it's
the
more
re-
like wax, I think. Beeswax.
yeah so
yeah.
the red pigmentation sometimes you know that we use has like it's not like vegan, it's like
Right, yeah.
animal, right?
Yeah.
Because it's crushed,
Crushed beetle.
by crushed
Okay.
beetle. So I've had those kind of they're like we have bad reaction to that or we don't want to use products that are not animal tested. So
Okay.
I remember carrying only vegan products. That was
Yeah,
when
yeah,
I
yeah.
started like Rare Beauty and stuff like that. Make sure like everything was vegan. I remember one whole wedding was just that. It was really
Wow.
interesting. And it was a mag wedding.
Ah.
The bride was so particular and I remember that was like would be the experience that I've had.
Yeah.
She came, we did a trial and the trial also I literally had to be like, I use this product, and she had to be like, Marissa, you know what? Because she loved the makeup, but the only thing was like, you know, you use everything on me and I don't think I can use like I was like, okay, fine, then let's go makeup shopping. So I
Okay.
literally took her when I was free a couple of hours just to make sure that all the products that we picked were like
Okay.
vegan.
Mm.
You know, and the few
Nice.
products, most of it I had it on me already, but a few
Right.
stuff
Ah.
like you know,
That's
just
really
had to make
smart.
sure.
Right,
Beeswax is
yeah.
hard. I feel like a lot of the like you know the
Yeah.
lip stuff. It's just
Yeah.
the beeswax because bees are also for them it's not
Yeah,
vegan.
yeah.
That is would be a tough one.
Because
Yeah.
I had a really
Bees-
bad reaction with that plum. But, you know, they use the
No, but
bees
that's not,
Yeah,
yeah,
thing.
yeah,
that's like plums.
But-
Yeah.
No,
No, I
mine
would-
was not just plum. It was like I had hives.
Oh.
No, but I think it's again it's communication.
I was like, yeah,
Like I
it's
always say, like,
Correct.
do you have any allergies? I carry one allergen, which I know it's coconut. I carry one allergen, and it's also not in a product that it's not necessary for me to use.
Yeah.
It's a very common allergen, so I'll say, Are you allergic to coconut?" I may or may not use it, but I know it's an allergen that I carry.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So I will just ask and then go from there.
I have
Read
like a whole
ingredients.
set of like vegan products now because of that one
yeah,
bride.
because
And trust me, there's few stuff that I actually still use till date because it's
Yeah, yeah.
like the powders and everything sometimes is so fine, and it's what is good for my makeup style. You know, it
Right.
works for my makeup.
ever worked with a bride who couldn't just sit still
Oh, all the time. All the time.
all the time?
Well, I
98%
think me
of
too.
them.
Yeah, yeah. Nobody sits still. They
Yes.
eat,
Yeah,
they chill.
exactly. They
yeah,
move a
yeah.
lot.
Always.
And they're anxious, and people keep coming and going. You
Yeah.
know, they're crying, sometimes
Yeah.
emotional. You know,
Emotional, yeah.
How do you deal with family friends or like family members who come and be like, oh no, what you're doing is not looking good on her, like change it, Panvini?
No, I think that's in the movies.
It doesn't happen in real life.
I think they could be like, but usually it's very like, wow, you look so nice. I think like people have really good circles.
Like nobody
now.
has come like,
No,
okay,
but I
this
think,
might not
Aman,
suit
it's that
you.
person. I think people surround
I
themselves
don't
with
like
good
this session.
people
There's
now.
not enough gossip
Yeah,
for me.
but I'm telling you, people are like they're very like I
Lift
think
you
now
up.
they lift you up and they
Okay.
surround themselves with good people.
That's
I think
nice.
everyone walks in, they're like always like oohing and eyeing and like asking me questions and stuff like what is this, what is that. It's more like that.
Oh, that's
like
cute.
like it's a
Yeah.
very happy and I think they surround themselves with that. That's why I don't mind the chaos. Sometimes the chaos is funny because I laugh so much because it's like a lot of people, but they're bringing really good energy. Like they're really happy to be there, happy for her.
True.
It's a really
That's
fun
nice.
thing.
Yeah, we don't do makeup like, oh, nobody's coming to the
Yeah,
room.
don't be quiet.
This
I'm
is
like,
only in
do you?
India.
Yeah.
Nobody's
I'm
allowed
saying
in the
movies,
room,
but in India.
Really?
Gossip. Yeah, ask me
Yeah.
about gossip.
but you know, I
I'm
think
gonna ask
otherwise.
you.
Like I feel like I've had like completely different generation walk into the room and be like, she's the bride. She needs to wear red lips.
That
Yeah.
yeah.
Okay.
You
They
know,
understand
How do you
now
deal
these
with
days,
that?
Yeah,
like
correct.
again, like because it's such a big day and everything is just so like emotional. Everybody, so you have to be gentle and explain to them that the looks are carefully like discussed amongst the bride and myself, and like she's agreed to, and then they would sort of like. And then we would sort of like gently tell them and listen to what they have to say and sway them back to like understanding that this is what the bride
No, 'cause at
wants.
the end of the
And
day-
the bride
yeah.
would be like, Marissa, like, no red lips.
Yeah.
Like, behind, and then they're standing behind and she's telling,
Right,
I'm like,
yeah.
No,
calm
because at the
down.
end of the day, it's
Like,
only about the
Yeah.
bride. So you know your focus is listening to one person.
Yeah.
Everything else you take in, but you only answerable to your bride.
But what if a Sasuma walks in and says like, no, change her makeup? Then
No, but
No,
it's
No,
it's
not
never
like that.
happened,
They won't
yeah.
do that.
But
I don't
Sasuma is
Yeah.
always busy with the barat and all,
Yeah,
yeah.
they're too
Do
busy
what
getting
you
ready.
want.
Yeah,
Getting
usually,
ready.
usually the bride's waiting for the mom because she's not entered the
Yeah,
barat yet. My
correct.
brides are chilling. You see them on swings and all. I'm like, what are you like? We've been ready for so long because the mother-in-law takes longer. So I was like,
But yeah, I
Yeah.
have done a couple of weddings where they have friends where they take the whole thing, like the way they wear the clothes and all, the whole barat is just looking at them. Yeah. So I have seen that kind of people at the wedding also. So not friends, even though the friends also sometimes they are big competition with the bride.
yeah.
They want to take away the show. They wear heavy clothes, especially in Delhi now these days.
Yeah,
If you
yeah,
don't
Delhi
know
could
a
be.
person
Delhi
is
could be.
walking on the aisle, you don't even know who is a bride. Everybody is decked up the same. They wear the biggest set, the
Kohang.
most expensive. I mean, like
Yeah.
the outfits all branded.
Oh,
They all do
God.
the same. Delhi trend
But I
is
can
actually
imagine
like
that.
that.
I
Yeah,
can
yeah,
imagine that for
exactly.
sure. Delhi, 100%.
Yep,
Yeah.
and they judge you, of course. Oh, you're a bride. Your kundan set has to be big. You should be wearing Sabyasachi. That's see. You look at Sabyasachi. Earlier, his what do you call, the tag was under the clothes. Now Sabyasachi is here.
Yeah.
Why he started putting here?
Belts.
Because people, they are buying more. They are
Yeah.
buying a tag. They're not buying outfit. They are buying a tag. That's
Just
why.
the logo.
That's
So it's-
crazy
yeah,
though.
of
Like,
course. Mindset has changed a lot.
mm.
But yeah, now on the other hand, I've seen one more thing. Some brides are so sensible. So what they're doing is they are just renting lehengas, renting jewelry. It's like, I mean, just 3 days. Or they're buying non-brands. It's just like how much confidence you have in you.
think
And
it's
these
the new
days,
generation now,
yeah.
like the quiet luxury has
And they
come
also
and they don't
buying-
care
and
about
also they
Like
like
spend-
weddings are no more weddings now these
Yeah.
days.
No, but
It's
they,
more
they
like
also
an
paying.
event.
A lot of my
Hello.
bride and groom are paying for their own weddings because they're in their late
Yeah,
30s.
yeah.
They've made
Yeah.
enough money.
Yeah.
Parents, that's why maybe there's no input from the family because they're
Mm.
literally banking. They're paying for everything themselves. So there's like, you know what I mean? They know what they want to spend on. They spend according to like, yeah.
and they're
But
wiser.
now these days,
Yeah.
weddings are not weddings. It's not marriage or shadi anymore. It's more like events. How much you're spending, what
Yeah, which
decor
artist
you
are you
have.
calling?
Yeah, like what all you have at the wedding. It's no more like a connection between a wedding, a boy or a girl. That's why if you see, this is I mean, like, I don't know which direction this generation is going to.
I really wonder, like, our kids' generation, what it's gonna be
I-
like. I'm so
Can I
scared.
I'm going to say it on the record. I don't think my kids are going to get married.
Yeah, very true.
I
No,
don't.
I'm-
I tell Ravi, I'm like, don't even.
My
I talk to
living-
my husband. I'm like, I'm not even gonna like promote.
Yeah.
Like,
You
why?
know, you live in, you have your own life. It's
Yeah,
a paper.
yeah,
Like at
yeah.
the end of the day,
It's
you
a
know,
piece of paper.
We have to try, test everything. It's like we're different parents than our parents, right? It's like
Very.
you never know whether
yeah.
they're going to do the whole hoopla. Like already this generation, my friends, kids, and all, they might not do like this big. You know, they're thinking more. They're I think more wise in the way they spend money. Like they're thinking more about like I could take this money and buy a house.
Yeah.
I think
Yeah.
the train of thought is changing. A lot.
Like my brother's getting married now. Like, thank you.
Already?
Sonu, yeah.
Mm.
So, like, I see the difference. Like comparing like when I got married
Yeah.
to like now. Like he is so wise and he earns. He's like also become like a wedding
Yeah.
planner now. So he's like, no, Didi, I've seen enough. Like I don't want. And he knows what he wants and he's so wise. And he because he knows all the vendors and stuff like that. So he knows the cost. He knows you know how
Yeah.
much where to spend, where
true.
not to
Where
spend,
not
what
to
is
spend, huh?
important. It's not about showing for him anymore. He just wants his people. Like he's like, Didi, I
Intimate
don't want to
thing.
call 800 people. I don't call 1,500 people. I don't want to do that. I'm having it in Bangkok, or if I have it in like Hua Hin, I just want it to be like
Intimate.
Yeah, but it's
150,
a lot now.
200
Now a
people,
lot of
and that's
small
it.
Weddings.
Yeah.
A lot.
like, and I think it's quite wise like of
Yeah.
them to do that now.
Exactly.
Keep spending on your makeup artist.
Please,
I
please.
hope they will.
'cause I feel
you know,
like-
if you
I'm
look
like,
at the
it's not
Instagram,
replacing-
how they're teaching on Instagram, everybody's a makeup artist
Yeah.
right
I
now.
know.
My
I
group
tell
of
you.
friends, they have a joke on me. I will find any reason to do
call
To
a
do
makeup
makeup.
artist. Yeah.
She knows this. Panvini is an advocate for this. It's like even before you sleep, you call a makeup
But
artist.
I
I'm
say
like,
this, I'm like, this is one thing. Like this, I always say, like this, AI can't steal from us. Hopefully,
No way.
Like,
No
this is
way.
it.
No
this
way.
is a skill that I'm like, please
Never.
bank. And I always tell people when they're like, should I add an event? Should I not? Should I add this? I'm like, spend on yourself.
like even if I'm
There's
calling,
600
Right,
people you're feeding. How much money is going to cost you
Yeah.
for additional
Exactly.
look? You want to
Correct.
look good? Spend on yourself.
even if I call 30 people in the house,
Call.
Yeah.
Makeup.
Like, where are we going? I'm like, to your house? For putting makeup?
and I'm like, Patty, do
It's
makeup. I'm like, you
this,
thought,
yeah.
huh?
But yeah, I've seen one thing. I've had experience once in my life where they call a makeup artist just to get the gossip, which I feel
Oi,
is
oi,
really bad.
really,
Yeah,
this is
yeah, yeah.
interesting.
It
Please.
has happened once with me where I was called because when she called, I was like, okay, and then she's talking about here and there about her ex and everything, and I was like, I don't know. She's like, no, somebody just went to their house, so just give me the gossip.
Oh,
I was
teri.
like, are you serious? I'm a makeup artist. Hello, I'm not that. What do you call
BBC.
BBC
Yeah.
that I will go to people's house and talk about this
News.
person. But trust me, people, they have that kind of mindset also, where they will call makeup artist
That
or a
is so
hairstylist.
shallow to a whole new.
People do exist.
But I guess we are in that field, like, makeup,
Yeah,
hair,
of
and
course.
bartenders.
Everybody wants to hear the inside
Gossipers.
story.
No, like, no, you
Yeah,
share
you
information.
share
When people tell you
information.
something when they're feeling low, they'll share with you. So
They
yeah.
talk so
One
much.
wedding I did where the mother-in-law called me after the wedding, after the fairs were done, before the reception. She's like, Simran, can you just tell me kya ho raha tha andar? I was like, Auntie ji, my ears were closed. I said it was so loud. वैसे भी bride का, I was doing makeup alone. Nobody's in the room. So hello, I don't even know. So I have had such experience because I told you, 23 years. Trust me, you meet like the funniest, the maddest, the idiot, the most foolish people also. Trust me. It's not like journey is very smooth. Never. There are days,
Amazing.
when we also cried with the bride. There are
Oh, yeah.
days, yeah,
Oh,
you
yeah,
get
yeah,
yeah.
exactly.
Amazing.
I still tear up till
Same,
today.
same. When the
like,
parents come in and all,
Yeah,
exactly.
it's so weird.
when they walk down the aisle and like
And
they're
You
like
feel like you're part of
speeches
that,
and stuff
yeah.
like that.
Oh,
and
yeah,
by the way,
speeches always
when
get
you
to me
are
as
at the
well.
wedding for 3-4 days, you know also that this wedding will exist or not. We have had that kind of experience where you can actually see and say that this is not gonna last.
I don't have that radar. I don't.
Me
I feel
neither.
everybody is just so
Ooh,
sweet
do
and they're gonna last
spill.
forever.
Yeah, I don't have the radar,
No,
but it
you
has
can
happened.
see
I
that.
cannot
Yeah.
judge it.
Really?
I
You
can
have
see
the
it.
radar?
I've seen. So
Yeah.
I've
Oh,
seen.
I'll tell you one thing. I've gotten one bride married twice.
Yeah, yeah.
You have
This
the
is very
other-
normal. Yeah,
Yeah.
yeah.
Really?
Of course. I did
So one
already.
bride came back to me with her second husband
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
and told her.
Correct,
Yeah.
correct. This though I have done.
Yeah,
But
yeah.
yeah,
So
you can
cool.
see because
So cool.
you are not the part of only the makeup thing. You see so many things around you that you can see that yeah, this is not gonna last. Yeah,
Wow.
exactly. Babe experience says a lot.
Mm.
Maybe after 23 years,
Yeah.
I'll ask you, Vinay.
Yeah, exactly.
Do you think they're gonna
Mother.
Yeah, I told your mother. I've
That's a
become
reason.
I can write down a book on
Mother
weddings.
India.
Yeah,
Mother
exactly.
India.
Mother India, literally any Mother India.
Seriously.
What's the strangest location you've ever had to set up makeup?
This is a
Like
good
not
one.
literally on a rock, but like strangest location.
I did one makeup in the car.
Huh?
A soak
A
red
moving
light.
car.
We were stuck for 2 hours at one red light. A soak red light.
Okay.
Many years back, I had to do her makeup in the car. And then second,
This is
I
so
went
fun.
Udaipur.
Okay.
So where they booked the hotel, of course, we stay in the same property. But then when
Yeah.
I used to sleep or in the evening, I used to feel there's so many people walking around, like the spirits and all. It was very scary. So though these two experiences I have in my life, I still can't forget. I mean, like you can feel that they are. I was so scared to walk outside the room. I used to take my hairstylist like, "Saath chalo." Even like you don't want to. Like we had suite, like 2 rooms. I told them, and as I told him, I said like, you sleep in the living room. I'm sleeping in the sofa. You sleep down. But we are sleeping the same. It was so scary. You actually feel it. That there is something standing here. There's someone standing there. Like you can see the spirits. That was the worst experience. Yeah,
scary.
I don't know why people did choose such locations.
Like you know
which
those
is like,
old Havelis. and
Havelis,
all.
yeah, correct,
yeah,
correct,
yeah,
correct.
yeah.
And one of the this thing is it's in India only. It's called, I don't remember the name. That's the scariest place. Trust me.
Okay, let
Okay,
me
I was willing
I
to.
wouldn't want to know.
I was willing to sleep in a
Tell
tent.
me.
I won't go. Trust
I
me,
don't wanna
I was willing
know.
to sleep in a tent. I told the bride, I was like, listen, there are tents down. But I
Let
just
me
want
sleep
to
in
get
one.
out the place, this whole building. I was like, and seriously, the next night we slept in a tent. It was very peaceful sleep.
Wow.
But that area was like very suffocating. My goodness.
Panvini, what's your strangest location?
Strangers location. No, but I mean strangers is like I did the Lady Gaga makeup for my friends and stuff. That was friends thing was in the bus. In a bus.
Okay.
'Cause we all went
On
in
the
a
way to
bus.
the concert.
Yeah. But I think strangest place to set up was we had very little time.
Okay.
So she had to go somewhere. So it was like, oh, I can't be at the venue because they weren't allowing me to have a room. So we went to a building that her dad owned that was under construction.
Oh my God.
So it was like no walls,
Oh my
no
God.
lights, no electricity. And I was like, okay, I can set up the light, but you understand, like
That's
Yeah,
crazy.
and then just set up there, like lug the luggage and all. I was like, okay, we're doing this, and she was like, we're
How?
doing this. I was like, okay, that would be like I've
No,
forgotten
that
about
is
that.
strange.
That is
That
true, but
is
I remember I didn't
strange.
take my whole kit, which is like unlike me. I'm very like scared I'll forget something.
Yeah, yeah,
But
yeah.
I picked and I'm like, yo, the stairs, I will die. Like, I don't look very healthy walking upstairs. I'm taking this much. It's gotta work from that much. So it was an abandoned building like that.
Oh my
Yeah.
God. Happy?
Mine was in the toilet.
Yeah.
Toilet was like
Usually-
the
But toilet light is
weirdest.
good. But I like the toilet.
No, it was
Yeah.
shitty in
Really?
India.
Oh,
It
in
was in
India.
India and it was stinky.
Oh, shit.
It was oh my
Shit.
god, and I had no choice. I was like, I had to. Like it was.
Somebody
This is a good
probably would
question,
have just
Amma.
taken a
That's
dump.
a good question.
I was like, you know.
Interesting. Okay. Like, okay. So as soon as you finish a makeup, like, has the bride cried right away?
Yeah. So many
During
times.
also.
During
Yeah,
also.
during or after,
So many times. Yeah.
Yeah.
Because they
Very
usually
normal.
do the dupatta, like
Oh, yeah, the
after you're
dupatta
done.
ceremony
so the
right
dupatta,
after
every single
makeup.
bride
Yeah, yeah.
cries that
Yeah.
time. Yeah,
มีใครเคยถามไหม make me look fairer
all the time.
Yeah, of course. Delhi.
All the time.
Delhi it's just
Delhi
like Delhi
crowd.
everything
No,
is
but I think
Delhi.
India
Yeah,
actually.
India
Nobody
is
in
more-
many
Nobody in
countries,
Thailand.
when people from
Only in
India
India.
will say, and then now they try to change it up a little bit because they won't say fair.
Right.
They say
Bright.
a few shades lighter.
Lighter,
Like,
yeah.
You know, like they're
Yeah.
changing the terminology.
PC.
Come up with
Yeah,
Oh,
yeah,
they're
yeah.
like being
No, I
politically
did a
correct.
bride
Yeah.
where she
They'll
said
say
that
things like that now. Yeah.
the groom is very fair, make me look like a groom's complexion. I was like, okay, that's like 10 times fairer than your skin. I can't do it. Seriously, you
No, I
can't
just
do
say
it.
you'll look
Yeah, it's very
great. There's no
difficult,
such
yeah.
thing. You'll look
You
great.
need to look bright. You need to look good. You
Yeah.
need to look yourself instead of looking whiter or a darker or whatever.
Have you ever had a groom come up to you be like, can you do my makeup
No, all
also?
the
Yeah.
All
always,
of them.
All
always.
of them.
yeah.
Yeah, like
Now
foundation
these
and
days
all.
they have
Nowadays
their
it's
own
full on.
concealers.
Just
mainly,
concealer, mainly.
yeah.
Not,
Yeah.
not too much. I'm like, you can't look like a cartoon.
No, some I saw.
Really?
They did like proper. They had
What
their
is
own makeup
proper?
artist.
What is proper?
Proper in the sense they have their own makeup
Foundation
artist
is-
at the wedding and did like contour, blush, lipstick, mascara, full foundation, powder. Like I was like, oh my god. So sometimes you look at them, it's like,
Was he hot?
okay. I don't want to
After
say
the makeup or
anything
before?
now. It's hot or question mark, whatever.
I'm
But
question
I
mark
feel
right
the
now.
boys, they don't look nice with the makeup. I mean,
it's
like,
like-
why do you have to do
Yeah,
makeup?
because a lot of boys already do brows, which I find very odd. But yeah,
correct. Yeah.
I would I always tell them like just little bit, maybe just dark circles, like a little
Yeah.
fresher,
Yeah.
but never like an OTT thing.
If you could do a makeup on one celebrity, who would it be? Happy?
Hard.
I like Mira's skin a lot. You know Mira, who's come up, Shahid Kapoor's wife.
Wife, yeah.
I've seen her in real.
Like I feel like she's really beautiful, and I think she would really look good with my makeup.
Oh, I can so see your makeup on her.
Yeah,
Yeah, with the
like,
skin and everything.
Because her skin line and everything, I've actually sort of like manifested. Like I'm still manifesting. Like I want to do like makeup on a celebrity that
I know
works for me.
I know who you're manifesting. We've had this conversation. I think you'll be
Who?
like Isha Ambani or somebody,
yeah.
right? Yeah.
I would love to like do one like makeup on like Isha because
Yeah.
she's somebody I feel is so beautiful, so
Yeah.
classy, and she just looks good at every event. Like
Mm.
how?
They're
Like
the
even like her
Ambanis.
brother's wedding, like she looked
And by the way, she
Amazing.
better
didn't use
than
any kind of skincare. Nothing.
But she was
doesn't
so
even
simple,
touch.
nah. I didn't
She
see
doesn't
like,
touch even sunscreen. Do you guys know?
Who?
She doesn't do any
Isha?
skin
Because that's a big
care.
no-no.
She doesn't
Sunscreen
even
is
touch
also,
any
you should tell her someone to
nothing.
get into contact
You should
with
read
sunscreen.
about it. Isha Ambani doesn't use any skin regime. No, not even moisturizer,
Really?
not even.
you're
the-
100% sure on your facts.
I
Huh?
have
This is
read
going
it.
online.
Trust me, yeah, I have read it. You should do your own homework too. I have read it that she doesn't even. I mean, like
I won't believe
read
it until I don't ask her
I read her
personally.
interview. She said, "I have never ever touched sunscreen in my life. Never any."
But a lot
product.
of people don't wear sunscreen
is
anyways.
scary.
It's not about sunscreen. She said, "I don't use anything. Anything
doesn't
is
go
nothing. It's like a
outside.
yep.
Yeah, sunscreen I feel like very important.
Yeah.
It's gonna skip age defying.
Yeah.
You want
Yeah.
age defiance? It's sunscreen.
She's probably using something that we don't even know exists.
Yeah. We can't even afford
Come
it.
on.
Like
Buy
what
the
Salma
gold cream.
Hayek came out with. Remember what was that beef thing? That beef,
Beef
but
tallow.
Oh my
yeah,
God.
but no,
It's
it's
like
it's
crap.
comedogenic.
That is
It's
like
comedogenic.
bullshit.
It's like it's so bad for your skin. It's like
Yeah.
how coconut oil was back in the
Yeah.
day. Like use coconut, but it's comedogenic. So no.
Suddenly this was so famous at one
Yeah.
point. And I'm like, are you
Yeah.
sure? I don't think I want to use like beef oil on
No,
my face.
No
now.
way. Don't do
Leave
it.
tallow, yeah.
Yeah, okay.
No.
Pan, what about who's your
I
celebrity?
don't. I never think of to do one. The only
Okay,
thing I
if you
came-
could do
no, but if I
one.
came close to someone was asking me like, can you do this person for free? I'm like, sorry, what? Because
For
they also
free?
expect that thing that
Yeah,
if it's
yeah.
I'm a celebrity, I'll do it for free. And I was like,
No.
no.
Yeah, a lot of
I'm so
bloggers do
sorry, yeah.
that, by the way. I've
I'm so
just
sorry, it's
had
not a
so
thing.
many
Yeah.
asked
Have I
me.
earned a free makeup session
Yeah.
today?
How you can afford us?
Yeah.
You know,
exactly.
yeah.
No, I do. I've never thought of it. Maybe come back to me. I've never thought of it. Like, who would I? No, because it's not. Like, I
Really?
don't manifest it. I don't know why. I'm just happy in my little.
Okay,
little
not
zone.
manifest like one face that you
No,
would
but I
want
mean,
to
she
do.
got inspired by someone, right? Like, I haven't seen someone who'd be like, "Oh my god, I would love
Yeah,
that."
because see,
Okay.
I don't
I
watch a lot of like, I don't know.
I don't know. I just feel like I want to do
Yeah, right
more
away,
than
yeah.
makeup.
Yeah.
You know, so for me, it's like I'm always thinking of like progressing. You know, and I probably see myself like, you know, having my own skincare like line in the future. I don't know. I don't know. But every time I think of Mira, I would always be like, oh my god,
I've seen her in real.
Yeah.
she's beautiful, right?
Very beautiful in
have
real.
I've seen her
Very
manifest.
arrogant.
I've seen her manifest a lot of things, and a lot of things have come true for her.
Yeah, I believe in it so
Yeah.
hard. Like
No, but I
believe.
think that's the thing about like having fun with it. Like you always see
Yeah.
yourself doing something else. Like even
Yeah.
bridal is the next. You know, you do editorials and it's fun. That's what
Yeah.
you're happy to do. Like
Yeah.
fun. Like it's always versatility. Like, it's the most like you can never be bored in this job
Yeah.
ever. Like it's always something. There's always
Something
a different
on.
I
face,
love
different
what I
every
do.
yeah.
Yeah.
It's always different. So I feel like yeah, very happy.
What about you, Ben?
Priyanka Chopra.
Oh,
Yeah,
that's a good one.
That's a good one. Yeah.
She is
Why
so
Priyanka
stunning.
Chopra? Because she has a face to do makeup. You can actually show your skills on her.
Her eyes, her
And
cheekbones,
eyes, her
everything.
color of
cheekbones,
her
her
skin.
lips.
God,
She's
yeah.
made to do makeup. To be
and the
very
color
honest.
of
I
her
love
skin
her.
is everything.
Yeah.
Yeah. This is like one person I always wanted to do is like only and only Priyanka Chopra. Even though if I want to do free or whatever, I would happily go and do her makeup. I really appreciate her as a human also.
So do
Her
I.
brains is
Yeah,
she's
same.
beauty with brains.
She
This
is
woman's got-
I really
100%.
appreciate
100%.
Exactly. She
Yeah.
speaks like when she speaks, I think you would want to hear.
Yeah.
The voice she has,
Yeah.
she's beautiful. And then she has a face to do makeup, which is like mera wala jo,
Yeah.
which I want. I mean, like if you do a very simple makeup on, like no makeup look on Priyanka Chopra, that's not gonna. That's not her thing to do. She looks stunning with makeup, which always like I was always been very attracted to
Yeah.
one face, Priyanka.
Amazing.
Yeah.
I mean, things she says is like so powerful. Like the other day, there was a quote that I read somewhere about don't marry a virgin, marry
Yeah.
a girl with manners.
Manners, yeah,
Yeah.
of course, of course.
100%. Okay. Last question for the session. This is something I'm doing with every episode in this edition. What is one thing that you would want banned in a wedding? Banned or rid of, or like if you could not have it there anymore. Like
Banned
one
is a
thing.
very strong word.
Yeah, yeah. I'm
No, I
strong,
would say
yeah.
like eliminate from a wedding when
So
you
what
come.
is eliminate and
no,
banned?
No, banned is
It's
like
the
you
same.
strictly no, for me it's like I would say
Gentle,
I
Aman,
would be
gentle.
like the prayers. The prayers.
Aman Pitkara
do
has
all
never
your-
been
No,
gentle.
do all your
No.
pujas and come. That's my thing. Like if you're coming and you
Uh-huh.
want to you want to party till 5 a.m. and then you have to wake up at 7 a.m.
And do
you're not
puja.
you're not doing it either. You're not having fun. You're not getting. You know what I mean? You're always like frazzled and stuff like that. So I mean, scheduling it well. Like
Right.
schedule your weddings like that makes sense to you, like not to anybody else. Like that's my 2 cents.
So
like,
it's time.
Yeah. So I've had really cool. Like now the bride's new trend is I want my wedding date on the first day. So I want all the formalities done. So the next 2 days are just about like
Ready.
the pool party, the sangeet, everything follows, and your husband and wife. So you're sharing the same room, you have the same suite, you're having fun.
Oh, that's
So I
actually
feel like that's a very good
that's
idea,
smart.
and I love that. Like I just feel like schedule it better. Because sometimes you're
Yeah.
saying like you have to do this and but can I dance? Will I party? Can I drink? Because I have to wake up for puja. I have to wake up at 8 a.m. I have to get ready by 8 a.m. You know,
Yeah, then
I
you
feel
don't
like
have fun,
Then you're
no?
spending all this money, but the only person who's
Yeah.
not having fun is you. Because no one
Yeah.
else is waking up for the wedding. No one else is waking up for the
100%.
puja. So that we like
Yeah.
scheduling it. Yeah.
Agree. Second thing is you should not give alcohol to the bride and groom. That's the worst
That is like
thing ever. I tell you one
saw
thing.
my face, did you
I've
wanna kill me?
done
Chai
a
peene
bride.
wali is saying this.
I'm telling you because I'll tell you why. Because I like normally brides they get ready. Okay, so it was quite late. So by the time she reached at the venue, she was literally like passed out,
Okay.
and she slept throughout. She didn't even enjoy her.
I mean, makes sense.
Event. So I feel one thing should be banned, apart from what she said, is like giving alcohol to the bride and groom. I mean, like, be decent 3 days, enjoy your time, enjoy people, enjoy the party, enjoy the money you have spent on the things, rather than just like passing out, drinking, and passing out. I was like, doesn't make sense.
Do you see the irony here? So one is puja,
yeah.
one is
and
Marissa, you're out.
and ask me the same question. I don't know. Sorry, but I love everything about like just being a part, like everything.
You're being diplomatic
I'm
now.
not. I swear I'm not. Like I have spoken so much shit. Like I'm not. But then the reason I entered this field
Mhm.
was, and every single time I have to go through this is just
Right.
it's so different every time.
Mm.
Like it's not like, oh, I'm again doing a, and every wedding is different.
Yeah, that's why you never get bored. Like
Trust.
it's a job that you never like.
Something
yeah,
or
you
the
never
other,
lose focus.
always.
Yeah.
Like, and every mom, like Ghari Puja, they want to get like dressed up. Like that's one thing I'm like, why? Like why does the, like Sindhis, they have this like the mom needs to get ready and look like the
before,
bride
yeah.
before the wedding day.
Mm.
You know, I never. But then that's also so beautiful.
Right.
You know, like she gets to be the best way. So where I'm thinking, I'm like, because even in the beginning of the show you had mentioned, I'm like, Alaya. I'm like, what is it? What is it? But everything
Nothing.
is just different every single time I go.
Okay.
But the best part about this, because no one cares what we think, Aman.
Very true.
No one's coming
Nobody
to
gives
ask
a
their makeup
shit.
artist, what should I leave out?
Yeah.
Seriously, I'm telling you.
Their money, they'll do
Oh
whatever
my
they want. That's what my
God.
2 cents is always that. It's your
Hilarious.
money, do whatever you want with it.
Yeah.
Spend it how you want. Wear what you want. You want to wear jewelry that's made out of tin, wear it. Own it. Wear
Yeah.
whatever the hell you want because it's about you. That's
Yeah.
as simple as
You
it
should be
is.
happy
Yeah.
at the wedding.
Your
I always tell
father's
brides,
hard-earned
like,
money. If it's going to
yeah.
buy you that, you wear that. Like, wear it
Absolutely.
with pride.
100%.
Yeah, never
Be
look at
happy.
ABC. Like,
Yeah.
just you do you.
Yeah.
2 cents.
I live by that. Like, I've never cared about what people think.
Very
Yeah,
true.
same.
You
Eh,
shouldn't.
I don't need to. Who am I
You and me both.
impressing?
Yeah. You
Yeah.
have to
I-
impress only yourself. That's
Yeah.
it.
Exactly. If I want to buy a carrot for myself, I buy a carrot for myself.
Correct.
If I want to buy a chandi for myself, I buy a chandi for
Yeah.
myself. Like, I
Exactly.
don't need
You
to
do you.
impress anybody.
Nobody.
Yeah.
Very true. But you know,
100%.
being in this profession, it's very difficult to keep it the way you are, because you know sometimes when you see people, they are very sometimes you get influenced by people also, because you meet so many people in like I've been working for 23 years and I've met the most beautiful people in my life. So if you are a good learner, like I always wanted to learn good things, I've learned a lot from this profession. Literally a lot. I did one wedding, I still remember her bride's name was Meera. Her dad is like billionaire in America. Wedding I did, she was wearing, so I really liked her set and all. I was like, oh my God, it's very beautiful. She's like, let me wear and then you take it. I was like, are you serious? She's like, yeah. She's like, Simran, I'm wearing all fake jewelry. My outfits are all non-brand. I asked my dad, what is your budget? My dad gave me the budget. I told my dad, give me cash. I will spend myself.
Smart bride.
Trust me, she spent only 5% of that amount on her outfit and the jewelry. She said, Simran, my dad is rich, I am not. Right? And then she got really a huge amount from her dad because the budget was a lot, of course, the jewelry and the outfits.
Yeah.
She invested in her business. Now she is another multi-millionaire in
There you go.
America. And I was like, this is what I've learned. It doesn't matter you wear real or you wear fake. It doesn't matter.
Yeah.
It's all about how much you value your future and the money.
Like, I think it
Real
also
talk.
depends. It also
Real
depends
talk.
on where you're brought up.
Exactly.
Like, you know, for example, this is a very
Of
good
course.
example.
All
You're in the
money-
States.
All money never
yeah.
talks. Ever.
Ever. So, like in the States, everybody fends for themselves, funds for
Correct.
themselves and everything. And they're not into, like, I think the Indians there, they don't really give a damn about how we do with our clothes and our jewelry. And over there, they're very practical, right? Like, even for me, I'm from Malaysia. Like, same thing. Very, very practical.
Very
Like,
true.
you earn, it's just for
Yeah.
yourself. And when I came here, I figured out, like, dude, everybody has a bloody either silver, gold, diamond spoon in their
Correct.
mouths.
So that is why they are like this. That's why, see,
So-
when you are carrying LV, you are judging other person. It's very easy for you to judge other person.
Yeah.
Oh, why she's not? I have LV. Hello, how did you buy LV? Did you earn yourself? No. This is one thing. It's not only Bangkok. Wherever such people,
Yeah.
any country, everywhere. I've seen
Yeah.
Singapore, Malaysia, even India, Bangkok also, where they have got their father's money and they're spending like anything. Only those are the people who are judging others, right? But where they are
To ape
seeing,
kama na, then we
Exactly.
talk.
Even though
Yeah.
you're wearing a Titan watch, hello, my watch is telling the same
Time.
time as
Yeah.
yours. So what the heck?
Yeah.
And then second thing, Judging, how do you judge? I mean, who the hell are you to judge? I have 23
Yeah.
years experience in this industry. I've made hell of money in this.
Yeah.
Where you are standing, just carrying your LV bag, tell me.
And
Mhm.
your
But I like
dad's
to say,
money,
like,
by the
rich,
way.
Yeah,
rich people are
exactly.
loud, right? Like wealthy people, they whisper. It's like you'll see it.
Yeah.
You'll see it. They'll
Yeah.
never be loud about it. They'll never have
Yeah.
logos. You'll just see it
Mhm.
because it's like it's very different, and it's like it's the best way to be. Because obviously, I always tell them it's not your money. Like how she said that, bride.
Yeah.
Very intelligent. It's like my dad's rich, I'm not.
Yeah.
It
I
just,
have
you know,
huge respect for like women generally who actually
hustlers.
like are themselves today who and
Mm.
are not dependent on their dad's money
Exactly.
Very true.
or men for that matter.
Very
Like
true.
there are a lot
Yeah.
of people like around us, for example, who are like you know bragging their way through like and making it like oh they own. But no, bro, like you didn't earn that money. I would respect that you did all that if it was your money. I tell my husband also, no, like, like I earn every single penny I
Yeah.
spend. If my husband gives me, he gives me.
Of course.
I don't go around asking him.
But
Aman,
one
you
thing-
listening?
There's someone is listening.
Yeah.
There's someone is listening.
But one thing, being Punjabi, I'll tell you one thing. So I did one wedding. It was a super luxurious wedding
Hanji.
where the room rent was 90,000 INR per night. Okay. And I went to the bride's room and the mother was grumbling. So I asked the mother, I was like, Auntie, ki hoya? She's like, Simran, it's the same Kanjar Khana. I was like, what happened?
Kanjar Khana.
Yeah. It's like, yes, it's
Oh,
it's like,
okay,
हाँ,
yeah.
exactly.
Okay.
So I was like, what happened? I was like, यहाँ पे तो like you have all the expats and all the like big people here, and you are still grumbling. And she said one thing
Mm.
correctly. She's like, Simran, I'll tell you one thing. It doesn't matter. ठीक है, expat है या कोई भी है या कोई भी है. End of the day, they are Indians. ठीक है, they will expect all the things from you. From like they take out step out of their house to reach here to do. So it's like it's the same thing. It's like expat level, they grumble in English. And if it's a lower level, they grumble in Punjabi. So the Kanjar Khana is the same. And I was laughing out of anything. I was like, yeah, this is actually true.
Mm.
Because Punjabi weddings, especially, they are like this. I don't know about the others. I mean, like, because
Right.
the way
Yeah.
she was telling, and that was a super luxurious wedding I've ever seen. It was Umaid Bhavan, Jodhpur. Can
Wow.
you believe?
Crazy.
It is.
Well, this has been fun.
Yeah, I
Same.
enjoyed
I'm
it.
looking forward to
Listening to this.
listening to this soon.
Never like the sound of my own voice.
I've always liked the sound of your voice, man.
No, I'm
Don't
making
worry.
it softer for you. It's like
Tonto.
husky.
I
Tonto.
know.
Tonto.
I forgot.
Okay,
It
so
was a tequila.
Yeah.
like we gave the Thai Valley a shot. I don't know what shot she had, but we gave a Thai Valley a shot.
Thank you.
Okay. So yeah, I'm gonna say goodbye to all these wonderful ladies and
Thank
thank
you.
you,
Thank you for
for
Thank you
having
for
us.
having us.
Thank-
for
Thanks to
coming
you.
in. This was absolute fun. Now I'm gonna go back scenes and get a list of their products.
Yeah.
And the skincare routine. That's gonna be my fee.
Yeah, true.
And that's a wrap, guys, on this episode with our lovely glam squad, the makeup artists, here on the Wedding Edition mini-series right here at Aman's Unfiltered. Now, the makeup artists are more than just brush wielders, right? Because they are kind of the unsung emotional support system of every wedding mornings and nights. From setting sprays to setting the tone for the day, they truly help brides and sometimes grooms step into the spotlight looking and feeling like their best selves. Now, up next, we are flipping the script even more. We are gonna go even more behind the wedding scenes. I'm not gonna reveal who we're interviewing next week. So I want you guys to stay tuned and keep following me on Instagram, Spotify, YouTube, so you guys can be up to date on my episodes that are coming out weekly for this amazing wedding edition mini-series. I'm your host, Amanpreet Kalra, and you're listening and tuning in to Aman's Unfiltered.